Hello everyone, firstly let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Fitria Ramadhani, but usually people call me Nurul. So today I'm gonna show you how to fold the napkin into a super fancy bird of paradise shape. It looks really cool and it's perfect for dinners, hotel setup, or just for impress someone at the table. So let's get into it. And the first thing you need is a clean and square napkin like this, and I use the red one. And you need a flat surface. The function of flat surface is to ensure the napkin can be folded neatly and precisely. So the first step for making a bird of paradise napkin is you can place the napkin at the flat surface, and then you can fold it. Just hold it sideways. Fold it, hold sideways like this. So it's gonna be. It looks like a rectangle. Yes. And you can fold it one more time to make a smaller square. Like this. And now take one corner and fold it diagonally to the opposite corner, so you get a triangle shape like this. And make sure the open edge is pointing up. This is the open edge, and it should be pointing up. And now grab the left and the right side and fold them towards the middle. Yes, grab the left and right side and fold them at the middle like this. So it becomes a long narrow shape. Or kind of like making a kite shape. Yes, kinda making a kite shape. And after this, you can flat it up carefully so the folds are facing down on the bottom. And now you need to fold this this part. You can fold it like this. Hup. And next step is bring the right side over to the left like this. And now is for the fun part. You need to hold the base steady like this. You need to hold the base and gently pull apart the top layers so to form the bird of paradise shape. Adjust the folds so it can be stand nicely. Just slowly and make sure the shape is precisely and neatly like this. And ta-da! That's it. So this is the final look of the bird of paradise napkin shape. You can take it, place it on the dinner plate like this. So now you've got a fancy looking napkin that will make your table setup looks very classy. Yeah, so try it out and wow your guests. Thank you for watching.